Okay, guys, this is Mr. Weber, and we are on our next lesson for recorder. And in this lesson, we add a new note. So on my recorder, we put a note G, which is thumb, 1, 2, 3. The note A, which is thumb, 1, 2. The note B, which is thumb, first finger. Last time we learned the note C, which is thumb and your middle finger on the second hole. So this one here is open. The new note, which is up here in the left-hand corner, right up here, is the note D. And D is a lot like C in that it's still got the middle finger on the second hole, but your thumb comes off. This is the only note where you take your thumb off. So all 5 notes from the lowest to highest are G, A, B, C, D. Okay, and they sound like this. It can be a little bit tricky, but if you practice, you can get it. Okay, and remember, the other hand is grabbing the bottom. Okay, just like this. So it's not covering everything up, just grabbing the bottom. Okay, you always put your left hand on top. Okay, so from your point of view, it's going to look opposite of what I'm holding up right now. Okay, so I'm holding up my hand on this side, but for you, it's going to be the hand over on this side. Okay, so with this song, the note D comes up a few times. It comes up right here, this first note. Okay, so you have D, B, B. Okay, then C, A, A. And then you get to use all 5 notes here. G, A, B, C, then 3 Ds in a row. These 2 measures are exactly the same. These 2 are exactly the same. Here it's different. And this is the trickiest part of the whole song. G, B, D, D, G. It jumps around a lot. So here, these last 2 measures go. And this symbol here at the end, the fermata, just means to hold it a little bit longer than normal. Okay? This symbol here is a breath mark. So you open up sides of your mouth, taking a quick breath, and the music stops for just a moment as you do that. Okay? So the first 2 measures sound like this. This is measure 1. This is measure 2. It should sound like this. Or D, B, B, C, A, A. Going from D to B might be a little bit tricky because you're going from just your middle finger down to your thumb and first finger down. So I practice it a whole bunch, like this. Okay, with practice you can get it. Going from C to A is a little bit easier because all you're doing is moving this first finger. So C is thumb, middle finger. Then A, you just add that first finger. This one you probably even do really fast. Okay, cool and annoying at the same time. So measure 1 and 2 again goes D, B, B, C, A, A. D, B, B, C, A, A. Sounds like this. With some practice, I know you can get it. All right, the next part. G, A, B, C, D, 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 rest. G, A, B, C, D, 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 rest. Did you see my thumb come off back here? Did you? Good job. And it goes like this. Okay, so the whole first line goes D, B, B, C, A, A. Breathe. G, A, B, C, D, D, D. Rest. If I do the fingerings to say it, I can't move the mouse at the same time, so you're just going to have to follow along. So here's the first line. Just write meow. And the notes and fingerings go D, B, B, C, A, G, A, B, C, D, 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 rest. And it sounds like this. Okay, next line. So we're on line number 2. We already know this 2 measures because it's the same as up here. D, B, B, C, A. Breathe. D, B, B, C, A. Breathe. And it sounds like this again. And that time you didn't hear me say the word breathe because I just went. Now the last 2 measures, the tricky part. G, B, D, D, G. Hold it out just a little bit longer. G, B, D, D, G. Then you can't see it, but right here is just 2-beat rest. So we'll cover that up. The fingerings go G, B, D, D, G. Okay, one more time. Okay, the whole song sounds like this. That was the wrong note, but I'm not going to start over. So here we go. Take 2. And that's it. So I bet you can get this one really fast because you guys practice a whole bunch. You sound awesome. And at some point, I'll have you guys do a recording of this so I can hear how great you sound. And if you didn't get the first time, the great thing about this video is you can stop, rewind, and watch it again. Okay? So good luck with this. Remember your note names. G, A, B, C, and D. See that thumb back there? It's finally off. And that's it. So good luck to you. Hope you have a great week. And that's it.